So I just want to make a quick video about Malasadas, which is a Hawaiian mini donut. And they just opened Zippys in Las Vegas, so I get them from Zippys. Take them home. I love them in the morning with my coffee. So what basically is, it's like just a little mini Portuguese donut that I guess Portuguese farmers, when they first moved to Hawaii, introduced them to Hawaii, and they're like a Hawaiian staple now. I had them at Leonard's when I visited Hawaii, and I really like them. I love them in the morning with my coffee. So I'll show you what it looks like and really what it is. So I usually buy a box of 6, 8, 12. It's an American thing to do. You got to buy a lot of them. And I love them in the morning with my coffee because I'm a fat ass. So I have I have 2 left, and this is basically what they look like. I'm just going to zoom in, and that's the top from the side. The bottom, they're basically fried dough coated with sugar, and now they fill them with like different stuff now, jams and Nutella, whatever, all kind of fillings. I like them plain with my coffee in the morning. Have a few of these with my coffee. It's like good start to my day. All right, here we go again. Top. And when you buy them, they come hot. They're really nice and soft and delicious, coated in the sugar. Look at all the sugar. So that would be, this is the plain one. Goes great with my coffee. So Zippy's Hawaiian food chain restaurant, they sell them. That's what I buy them in Vegas. I really like these little things. There it is, guys. That's what it looks like. Ooh, right over me. This is what it looks like. It's delicious. I love it with my coffee in the morning. Kind of makes my day. That's all I wanted to do. Just show you what this is if you didn't know what it was. If you go to Hawaii or Las Vegas or anywhere where they serve them, get them because they're delicious. Thanks a lot for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video with whatever review I got.